Hello y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the night care routine that will change your life. In this video, we're going to touch on skincare, health, nutrition, wellness, relaxation, and much more. So stay tuned, take out your notebook, and let's get into this video. I'm getting ready to take my nightly shower, and right here I have my Victoria's Secret robe that I just got recently. I felt like this would be perfect for tonight, especially because it's transitioning into winter in New York City. So to be cute and save my utility bills, we're gonna go with this robe. I'll show you guys my shower routine that I have set up in the back. I pretty much have a simple shower routine. I just use about 4 different products. For skincare, we do the most. Let's hop in the shower and I'll show you guys my routine. Now that I'm all done with the shower, I'm gonna moisturize my body. In this special cabinet, we have a bunch of beauty tools and products. To moisturize, I use this Vaseline Coconut Radiant Glow. I love this body oil so much, as well as natural shea butter. As you can see, I'm almost out of this. This is embarrassing. I need to order another one. I get it off of Amazon. This moisturizes my body, but this captivates the moisture. Like, this holds the moisture in my skin, because I tend to get really dry skin everywhere except my face. So I try to stay as moisturized as I can. And then I also like to go in with this tool and use it for my body to kind of like sculpt and like help with any cellulite or any sore muscles that I'm dealing with, especially after Pilates or the gym. I use it with this Jason Vitamin E oil, great pair. And then we all want to smell good going to sleep. So I use this Vanilla Bean Knoll body lotion from Bath & Body Works. I love this so much. It also depends on my scent too, because I have a bunch of different lotions, but for tonight, because I'm using Aesop perfume, I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna lather myself with moisture, get ready, and switch into this robe. I've officially switched into my robe and moisturize everywhere. And then at the end, because my hands get really dry, like embarrassingly dry, so I keep this Clarins hands and nail cream. And no, this is not sponsored by Clarins, by the way. I know I'm showing a lot of Clarins products, but it's not sponsored. I keep this Clarins hand cream on site, and it locks in the moisture throughout the whole day, especially during the winter, because nobody wants to be shaking no rock hands in the winter. Not I. And I will not be the girl that you shake with rock hands. I refuse. Oh my gosh, the amount of times I've been embarrassed to shake people's hands. This is your first impression of me. I will not be harshly judged by my hands. For my night fragrance, I like to use a calm scent. I go with this Aesop Vivre? I don't know. It smells good, okay? And just spray it, let it soak in. Yes. And we're all done with body. Now it's time for skincare. I'm going in on skincare tonight because I have a party to attend on Friday, and what if my husband is there? I should title this supermodel skincare, I don't know, supermodel routine, whatever. I look so chic. I'm gonna show you all the products I use. It's different at night just because I use retinol and I don't use certain things that I use in the morning, like sunscreen. To take off my makeup, I use this Lancome Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. And then I use cotton rounds to get it all off. If I'm really lazy at night, I'll use the Neutrogena face wipes, but we're not lazy tonight, okay? We're doing it big. I like this because this has like an oily base. I kind of have a hard time when I try to remove my mascara, but this definitely helps. I start my internship tomorrow as a wholesale intern in New York City. I'm waiting for this moment. If you know my background, I studied merchandising and marketing in LA, and that was kind of where I wanted to head in my career field. I've been working as a retail manager, okay, not even that long, because I moved to New York literally last year in June. I've been working as a retail manager since I moved out here, and I don't like it. I don't like retail. I don't like working Friday, Saturday, Sundays, especially Sundays. I'm like, I gotta go praise the Lord. I have to go to church and serve, get the word, okay? It was such a hard time making friends because like the people that I knew, they were off on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then here I am asking them if they want to hang out on a Tuesday. Now that we're done removing, we're gonna go with this Aveeno Positively Radiant Face Wash. It's a brightening cleanser. I've been using this cleanser since I was literally in high school. This has been good to me, so I have not switched up. Then I go in with this turmeric face soap. I've been using this as well since high school, I believe, and it's helped clear my dark spots so much. I got it off of Amazon and it's $7. I just bought a whole box just because I was like, all right. When I run out, it's a sad day. Now, when it comes to exfoliation, I use this One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser by Clarins. I mainly only use it at night, unless in the morning I feel like I just have a lot of bumps on my face and I need it gone. I use it at night after I take off all my makeup just to do that extra cleanse. Now that I'm done washing and exfoliating my face, I'm gonna go in with this Vanity Planet steamer before I do extractions. This has helped my skin so much. It opens up my pores and just allows my skin to breathe. I know some people like to do essential oils. I'm not gonna do essential oils. I never do essential oils. Just warm water. I'm gonna go with my extraction tool. I'm gonna get all the gunk out of my face. Now I'm gonna do this AHA BHA mask from Clarins. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna do 2 masks tonight because I have not been good to my skin. I'm not the biggest fan of the smell. It smells like nail polish, but it gets the job done. So I'm gonna go in with another face mask from Clarins, and it's this cryotherapy face mask. It feels so good when you put it on your skin. Like it feels like you're putting ice on your skin. Here it is. It's blue on the inside. It also comes with a spatula. For me, I like to put my mask on with my hands. I'm just using this to coat my face, and then I'm gonna use my hands. While I let this sit in, I'm gonna make me a smoothie. You might be wondering, what is that? It's just a smoothie in a martini glass. I'm not gonna wear a fancy robe and do a face mask without a smoothie. Come on. Dripping. Yeah, it's a good break. Honestly, this mask has been on my face for about 20 minutes now. I'm gonna finish the smoothie and wash my face and get back to my skincare. Okay, now that I'm all done with both masks, I'm gonna go in with this Clarins facial toner. Just pour it on, and then I wipe my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my Clarins Total Eye Smooth. I'm just using a tiny bit. Goes under my eyes. For retinol, I'm gonna use this Murad Retinol Youth. Then I'm gonna use this vitamin E oil again. Now I'm gonna use this gua sha that I bought off of Amazon. I'm gonna be slaying at this party, okay? They're gonna be like, whoa. No, I always slay, so. I like to do my nose too. Just kind of drain my nose. Now that all of that is done, I'm gonna go make me some tea, do a little Bible study and journal, and go to sleep. This was so fun and cozy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. But, oh, that's not very classy. I look so chic. Should I just leave my eyebrows? I love my eyebrows. Smoothie, smoothie, smoothie. I'm not gonna wear a fancy robe and do a face mask without a smoothie. Come on.